Her head hurts. We're doing chickens today. What are they? I'm cheating, but I'm just... chickens actually started in the 21st century, but not many people know that. They were... chicken or the egg? That's just a stupid question, if you ask me. The chicken coming to life... Have you ever seen chicken run? So they just run into their life. That's how they come to be. This is actually a chicken, even though it's just a black background. Did you know?
What are they called?
Chickens or chicken's feet?
Chicken's feet. They have a name for it, I think.
Oh, I don't know.
Let's refer to, Hey Siri. I don't know how to call her on this one.
It's an iPhone.
She doesn't
Okay,
know here.
he doesn't look.
Chicken. Oh. Hawk?
Hawks?
Hawk.
The foot of a bird.
That's not what I was thinking of.
Oh.
Hawk is the ankle region, and hawk joint is the ankle joint.
Oh. Use the term hawks.
Oh, I was thinking of the word talons. What's a
ankle
talon?
regions. Well, talons are feet.
Yeah,
They're like
right?
bird feet.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Talons.
Talons.
Or hawk joint. Hawk joint.
Hawkeye. Isn't that a Marvel?
Hawkeye is a movie about the chicken's ankle. Alright, tell me about your process here.
Oh, okay. So the thing that I just did, I just threw it away in the garbage. And now I'm...
You started over?
Well, you'll see that it's a joke. But, yeah. So, yeah. I mean, you gotta do the lighter colors first. It's watercolor. And then I'm just, I'm laying a bunch of colors. I think I got yellow in there and orange and then brown in that order. And, the googlies on the chicken are red. So I used red for that. Maybe some orange.
Name all the chicken body parts.
All the chicken body parts. Chicken breast, chicken thigh, chicken head, your chicken head, chicken feet. What's up, chicken butt? How does the thing go? No, I think no, my friend used to do this all the time. So you go, what's up? And then the other person's like, chicken butt. It's like, oh, I actually wanted to know what's up. Yeah, so that really, that hurt my feelings. Chicken. Oh, no. This is a kid's show. It's called event? And the feet are talons. We've discovered this. The chicken ankle is actually called a hawk, but nobody knew that. But not H-A-W-K, the other bird. It's, what is it? H-O-K-E? H-O-C-K. Like hockey, but chicken feet version. I was actually hearing about how chickens have really great poo. It's really good for the soil. You should just have chickens and then just let them poo.
Did you know that birds don't urinate?
No, why? But they have liquid, maybe.
It's poop.
Oh, what? Ugh. Am I jealous? No, not really. Yeah. So is it extra slimy? Oh, okay, well then no. I don't want to have diarrhea every time I poo. Well, diarrhea is apparently good for the soil. Good for the soul. Chicken soup for the soul. Oh, people make fun of the dangly things under the rooster. They say it's like... that's inappropriate. Gungalow. Let's see. Dangly things. We shouldn't make fun of it because we have those dangly things on the back of our throats. So those are kind of like what the roosters have. Rooster dangle. What is the hanging skin under a rooster's neck? It's known as a wattle. Not to be confused with waffle. Oh, yeah, you knew that? You knew what a wattle was? Well, I've never heard of it. I don't go to chicken anatomy school. Unlike you. Okay, so as you can see, that was a joke because, see, that's the background I did before. I didn't actually throw it out, but I threw it out for a moment.
Maybe you'll cut and
Oh,
paste.
it's done!
Wow!